In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to export high quality photo in Photoshop without any stress. A beginner guide, step-by-step tutorial. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you're very new to this channel and you find this guide useful, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about Photoshop tips. So with that being said, let's get started.
Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to export high quality JPEG photo from your Photoshop. Okay, so the very first thing you need to do is to make sure you come to the top right here. So you have to go to File, from the top here, click on File. Then the next thing you want to do is to scroll down and go to Export. Then from Export here, you have to navigate to Export As. Click on that. Alright, so from this dialog box right here, this is where you need to set the standard and the quality before you eventually export your photo from Adobe Photoshop. Alright, so starting from the top right here under the file format, so you have to come to the file format and choose the file type that you want your image to be exported as. So I'm going to export this as JPEG. Okay, then having selected the file format, then you need to move to the quality. So always make sure that 100% quality is maintained. So in some cases, if your picture is not up to 100%, what you need to do is to simply click on this drop down here and then you move this slider to 100%, so you are good to go. So right here we have the quality to be 100%. So the next thing we want to do is to move to resample. So click on here, then make sure you choose preserve details. So all in all, we have file format to be JPEG, then we have the quality to be 100%. Always make reference back to quality because this determines the higher resolution of your image. Then preserve details. Then finally, we come down below here, we click on export. Then we can choose a destination for this particular file. So I'm going to export this to my desktop. Then I will name it new picture. New photo. Okay, then I'll click on save. So the photo has successfully exported as JPEG higher resolution. So let me quickly minimize this. So here we have the image. So what I need to do here is to just click on the image and press enter key on my keyboard just to open the image, and then you check out the quality after the export. Okay, so you can see the image has successfully exported as JPEG in higher resolution. So this is how to export your photo in high resolution in Photoshop, step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about Photoshop tips. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.